Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. Today is my favorite day of the month and my favorite day of the year because today is my art lab collab and it also happens to be my birthday. Sunday, February 15th is my 56th birthday. Getting better with age, hopefully. And my Patreon group, I always set them a monthly challenge, and I usually put it somewhere in the middle of the month because then it doesn't conflict with any big holidays or anything like that. And it just happens that the collab day this month falls on my birthday. So I made this collab all about me. I asked my Patreons to use what they know about me to create something that they thought I would like. I gave them some hints like my favorite colors, my favorite techniques, where I'm from, where I've lived, all of my interests and all that kind of stuff. I give them a whole list of potential things. And the reason I think this is a good challenge for the collab is because we don't just make art for ourselves. We sometimes make art for other people, especially when you get a commission or if you have a friend who's having a special occasion, they've got a new home, that kind of thing. You want to be able to take what you know about somebody else and put it onto the canvas. So I'm really interested to see what everybody has made. I know I have some of the pieces already sent to me from my Patreon members, and I'm so happy with them. Honestly, I'm going to be happy with anything anybody makes because, I love my art lab so much. These people keep me so motivated. I love how fearless everybody is. When I give them a challenge and it's something out of their comfort zone, they always give it their best shot. And honestly, what else can you expect of anybody? And they're some of my closest friends now. I really love my Patreon group. So shout out to all of you guys. Thank you very much for humoring me this month with this challenge. I'm excited to do something for myself. So I have a 24-inch round marine grade MDF panel. I've given it a layer of gesso here and sanded it down. And I'm going to turn this into a tabletop for my patio. And so once I do the painting, I'll let it cure, and then I'm going to add a layer of resin and then add some legs on it. You're not going to see that part. You're just going to see the painting part today. On my community tab, once it's completely finished, I will probably put a photo up there so that you can see what the final result is. So if you're not subscribed, please do that now so that you can see that when it comes across the channel. So what I want to do, my house is basically greens, blues, grays, and browns. So I'm going to do, I decorate a lot with blues. It is one of my favorite colors, but I'm going to use some greens and browns together. I love this color palette. It's very simple, 2 colors. This is Amsterdam Burnt Umber. Oh, I almost said something else, but it is Burnt Umber from Amsterdam. And then this is Deco Art Extreme Sheen Peridot. It's a beautiful kind of mossy green metallic color. I love it. And these colors together are gorgeous. And I'm going to put that on a pearl pour base. This is 2 parts US Floetrol, 1 part Vallejo Pearl Medium, and then 1 part Amsterdam Titanium White, and then 2 parts water. So it leaves no mound at all when it's drizzled off of the stir stick. It's very, very thin. I'm gonna put this down as my base coat first, and then I'm gonna make a puddle of those 2 other colors, and then I'm gonna blow it out and then spin it out. And I'm hoping for lots of pearls. I don't necessarily want this to look like a flower or anything like that. I want to kind of cover the whole surface and have lots of green and brown color, but also some pearl cells that come up. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and put down my base coat here. And I'm just going to put quite a bit here and spin it out so that I get a nice even coverage. I might tilt it a little bit too. And I'll probably need to put a little extra on. That wasn't quite enough. I want a nice healthy base coat, but I don't want a lot left on the surface here. I need this to be just a thin coat, but all the way around. before I do my blowout. Just a little bit left over there. There we go. That should give me a nice base coat to work with. My torch has given up the ghost. I've had it for like 5 years and it just broke on me. And I do not have my new order, so there might be some air bubbles in this. I'm okay with that. I'm going to put down the green first. It is a metallic color and it might give me some cells. I'm going to try not to do too much. But you can see how thin this is. It spreads out very quickly. Put the brown directly on top of that. Lots of air bubbles. Looks like we're going to blow it out anyway. I might just be able to blow some of them out. It's a very thin consistency, so it shouldn't matter too much. Okay, so now let's blow it out. Not too centered, but that's okay. I am going to spin this out anyway. So hopefully some more pearls will pop up here. Oh, that green is gorgeous. So let's give this a gentle spin to give it a start. I'm going to lose a lot on this side, but hopefully that side fills in too. Just let that go for a minute. Oh, wow. That's cool. Okay, one more spin, I think. I want to get a little more of that paint out of the center. Ooh, I love that. That is cool. I'm gonna give it one more spin. I want a few more of those. Those are cool. Okay, let's let this sit for a little bit and see if anything else develops. So this is about an hour later, and I love how the center has pulled in. Those pearl cells just stretched right into the center. I think that is super cool, and I love how these pearl cells have spun out. It looks to me like lichen on a tree. I think it's beautiful. This color palette is gorgeous too. I love the green and brown together. And, but the white gives it so much life to it too. Oh, super happy with this. Happy birthday to me. So I have a playlist in my video description. Some of my Patreon members also have YouTube channels. If you'd like to see what they've made for me this month, check out that playlist. And but not everybody has a YouTube channel, so Now let me show you what the rest of the art lab has created.